That chap over there just knocked on the door. Had a problem with his bike.
His crank arm was loose and the bolt had threaded. The thread had been stripped off the bolt, so I re-threaded it. I didn't have the right bolt or the length he needed, so I bodged something together anyway, and it's as you can see, it's working and he's off.
Gone.
Another satisfied customer.
We're going to do a litter pick today. Classic.
Yeah. And now I'm going to put all this away.
Okay, then should we go for a walk?
See, it's why it's important to have all the tools. Yeah. So, we are at the Butini Botanical Gardens for a walk round today. It's 20 lorry to get in, which today's exchange rate is around £7. But it's quite a big site, so yeah, we're just going to mooch around. And where we're parked is literally across the train track, and there's an entrance into here.
So we did try and get in last night because there is a gate from the beach into here, and there was security today, so we had to pay. Never mind. Well, no one told me about this. I'm going to count these and tell you how many steps there are. And we've got a little friend with us. Giving some biscuits this morning, and he's not left us alone all day. $358. There's a couple more over there, but I'm not counting them.
You just see a truck parked on the beach there. Not a very good picture of it, there you go. Local neighbours come to say good afternoon.
Right, lovely day, absolutely beautiful. I saw a massive pod of dolphins swimming by, which is perfect. It's our last night here. Now we're going to go and do a litter pick. Okay, the reason you use gloves and a litter picker is often you come across things you definitely shouldn't be touching.
So I woke up this morning. It was a beautiful calm night last night, and the truck is coated in a yellow powder. I went up to squeegee off the solar panels to get the dew off, and they were mired in it. And this is a front window screen, and it's like a yellow sulfury powder. Really odd, really odd.
Filling up the water today, in town. Getting a little bit more than we bargained for. I got soaked.
So that's the water done. Slight issue, we used a new hose pipe I've not used before, and it has a pressure valve on it. It was a nightmare. Right when you don't want to have a problem, we had a problem. Got it solved in the end, so filled up, and now we're here getting some fresh bread.
Look at that. Back in the truck with our 2 giant breads. How much is that?
About, well, it's 3 lari, so about 90p. But I mean, they are honestly,
and they smell so
they
good.
are. It's the most amazing bread in the world, and it's hot. It's piping hot. Let's eat.
It's a nice park up. An old abandoned airfield. Not glamorous, but a little bit spooky. We like that. Hello!
So we're at this abandoned Soviet airbase. Part of it is now a new airport. We're in the abandoned part where all the old military hangars are. Hangar 17. There's one opposite us as well. We've got a fire on the go. It's a bit windy, but and the cows have just turned up as well. So yeah, we're just going to chill out in front of the fire tonight. And we did some washing today as well. It was like 26 degrees today, so dried in about an hour. Done washing. Yeah, tomorrow we're just going to go and explore the area, and then the day after we are heading up to the mountains to do a gorge walk. We were going to do it tomorrow, but it's the Georgian Easter bank holiday this weekend, so we're giving it a miss, and we're going to go Tuesday. Also found an old Soviet era town which has got loads of sanatoriums and old spas and all abandoned buildings, so we're going to perhaps go and have a look at some of those and have a look around. See, some of them look really fancy, but they're just all abandoned and empty. Yeah. So
that's the next few days.
Next few days. Catch you. Blah, 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 blah.
We're going to enjoy this fire before it gets blown away, and yeah, see you in the morning. Good morning. So we're leaving our park up tonight. We've had a couple of very windy nights, at least 50 miles an hour. We moved at one point. It helped a little bit. Today we're going for a hike, 2 little hikes actually. Take you with us. Okay, so you have to come through the visitor centre to get on the trail, and it is $17.50, which works out at 11 quid. Also, when we got here, we did park in the car park, but then we were told to park down the lane by the side of the visitor centre, more space, and we can stay here overnight, no charge. So at this point you need to hand over your tickets over there and then come through the barrier. Alright, YouTube and Instagram problems. Couple over there taking about 7 million Instagram pictures.
To be fair, that's what we're doing as well, so you know, you can't really complain, Kerry, because
No complaining, I'm just saying,
be patient,
realities, we have to stop, wait and carry on. So what goes down into the canyon must come up.
Lots of steps on the way back up. But it's pretty though, it's very nice. Very, very nice.
Well worth it. Right, back at the truck. Going to have some breakfast and change into shorts because it is hot. It's about a 6k circular walk. So yeah, and then we're going to try and head up to a waterfall nearby, but the roads look narrow and the car park looks tiny. So we shall see.
So we parked a bit further down the hill, about half a kilometre away, in a large car park on the side of the road, and walked up the hill because we were a bit unsure about the car park, how busy it would have been. As you can see, would have been loads of room there.
So again, that was another 34, 17, 25 each, 34.50, another 11 quid. We had the most peaceful night's sleep last night. We are actually on the side of a road, but next to nothing. It was lovely. I do also think, you know, the fact that it was really hot yesterday and we did about a million steps probably helped. But today we are going to go and see the Prometheus cave. So heading off there nice and early. We have this really bad habit where we go to bed early and we wake up really early. But and you get to enjoy views like this. It's not such a bad thing. Before we go, I need to show you an upgrade that we've made to our filming equipment. Super high tech. We have got our gimbal tied on with a hairband to an old sat-nav thing that we don't use anymore. So yeah, that's how we get all of our awesome footage of cow traffic jams.
Indeed, ingenuity at its best. Let's go. So we've arrived. So if you want to go from the caves to the canyon or the canyon to the caves, don't follow Google Maps. It will take you miles out of the way. There was a bridge that collapsed, which stopped the road being used. So they kind of took the route off Google Maps, but they built a new road and a new bridge. So just do your homework, satellite view, and you'll see the bridge and the road going across. Anyway, so we've arrived. We're too big to fit in the car park. So if you're in a motorhome or camper, as you come up to the entrance to the caves where the car park is, there's another car park on the left hand side. You will have to pay to park here. I don't know how much it is. The guy we were parked on a bus bay and the guy came and got us and moved us. So
let's go find out how much it costs. There is a sign over there that says 2 gel.
So we'll find out how much it costs and we'll let you know.
Yeah. Okay, so that was 5 gel and now he's selling us a wine gallery visit. Okay, Prometheus Caves, $14.99 for both of us to get in. There is a boat tour as well, so you go all the way down and then you get a boat tour back, but it's not running today. That's extra. So we've got to wait. It's a group guided tour, so we've just got to wait 20 minutes to be picked up.
So as you can see, we're in a group of about 50 people. 50 people?
Yep.
Yeah, around 50 people. It's quite a big group actually.
Our guide is giving us the tour in Georgian, Russian and English. It's very impressive. We just walked around to the Hall of Love. And Craig turns around to me and I think maybe he's going to give me a kiss. He turns around and goes, "Are you fired?" Someone's fired.
Okay, so we are out of the cave.
Yeah, it's a bit bright.
It's a bit bright out here. So I've squinted because we were in a dark cave for an hour and now it's gone bright. Definitely worth coming to see.
Yeah, 100%.
I think it's
Very cool.
1.7 kilometre long, something like that. I could be wrong. Definitely worth coming to see. It's really, really good one.
Yeah.
The lights in there were the stalactites, stalagmites, all the different
Formations.
what she said, formations. Absolutely brilliant. The only thing is we got
What Craig is trying to say is that we got stuck at the back behind some less able people, which meant that we missed a lot of the talks. There were some light shows and some music and all that stuff, all of the talks.
we missed all the talks, so we missed all the light shows.
Yeah, so maybe come at a time where it might be a little bit quieter. We went on the first one of the day, which is where I imagine a lot of people come. So yeah, I don't know what the best time is, but it's not the first one of the day.
Yeah, agree. But definitely worth it. It's really good. I enjoyed it. Loved it.
Yeah. So I think that we'll leave you here for this one.
Yeah, I think that's it. So thank you very much to our patrons.
Yeah.
Thanks for following the journey so far.
Yeah.
Lots more interesting stuff coming up.
Yes, there
Don't
is.
forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.
Yeah. Love you lots. See you soon.